In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a specific portfolio as your default, a handy tip for organizing your investments more efficiently. If you have multiple portfolios, having one set as the default can streamline your navigation and make checking your investment performance a breeze. Let's walk through the steps you need to take to make this happen. First, you'll want to navigate over to the portfolio section. If you're on the CoinMarketCap website, you'll find it at the top of the page. This is your hub for all your investment portfolios, where you can track their performance and manage them easily. Once you're there, it's time to locate the portfolio you want to designate as your default. When you have multiple portfolios, knowing which one you want to prioritize as your default can help you access its details without the extra clicks. So go ahead and select the portfolio you're aiming to set as the standard. As you see your list of portfolios in front of you, click on the particular portfolio you want to work with. After choosing the portfolio, you'll notice three dots, usually positioned at the top or side, depending on your user interface. These dots are your gateway to additional settings and options related to your chosen portfolio. Clicking them opens a drop-down menu with a variety of choices. When this menu opens, you'll look for the option that says Set as Default Portfolio. This is typically presented as a toggle. Flipping this toggle on will make sure that this portfolio is the one that greets you first every time you navigate to your portfolio page. Ensuring its status as default can drastically speed up your workflow and makes it simpler to keep tabs on your key investments. With these steps completed, you've successfully set that particular portfolio as your default. It's a small tweak, but one that can significantly enhance your efficiency, especially if your focus ever shifts and you need quick access to a specific set of assets. Remember, setting a default portfolio is a reversible action. Should your priorities change or you start focusing on a different set of investments, you can always follow the same steps to reset your default portfolio to another choice. And that's it. You've now streamlined your investment experience with this simple yet effective setup. This small adjustment ensures that accessing the portfolio that matters most to you becomes part of your effortless routine. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to manage your portfolios more effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy investing.